Namaste, welcome back to UD's Quickest Movie Reviews. This is Uday. As always, I'm back with some wonderful filmmakers and their work that we are going to review in our show today. Before we start our show, how can we forget to thank all those wonderful subscribers who have been helping us so much. If you are new to our channel, now is the right time to hit that subscribe and the bell icon and join us, support us to reach all those filmmakers out there. Because we believe somewhere out there is this one talented filmmaker who has a great film that needs to be appreciated by us and encouraged. Let's encourage them together. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into the show. The very first movie that we are going to start our episode with is Khara Devata Majha. With a screen time of 21 minutes 18 seconds, the film is an emotional short film posted on Third Eye Chitra Entertainment, a YouTube channel. The film basically starts with establishing empty streets and an announcement going on about the lockdown. And then a middle class family is established where we have this one lady and her sister and two kids with a dog. The lady is busy in cooking and all the other people are very busy in their own worlds. There is a silent sorrow feel going on in the film. It is when the husband of the lady, who happens to be a constable and is on duty during the lockdown, walks into the house. It is when this man enters into this house. Except the lady or the wife of this person, everyone else are very bothered or sad and are in a very confused state, and not to mention they are very scared to see this person. Now, why are they so unhappy? What is wrong with this family? What is happening in this family? The climax of the film ends with a very emotional ending given to this story. Now, let's see the technical part. The film basically is written, directed and edited by Mr. Darshan Prakash Prabhu. The film basically depicts the situation of Corona warriors that we often ignore about. It is while watching this film I realized how comfortably we ignore these Corona warriors' struggle of life while protecting ours. We take them for granted, forgetting how are they surviving with all those efforts they are putting to save us, and what is happening in their personal lives. Maybe somewhere this is the trigger point of this film. As told, no doubt this is a wonderful subject and they have handled it very carefully. But then, because of the lengthy screen time and a great detailing of every single situation, will make it look very shaggy and very slow. And when it comes to editing, I think editing could have been much sharper. The cuts are very good, the transitions are very smooth, and the color they chose is really decent. I really like the idea of monochromized visuals to differentiate different situations in the story. Now, coming to the camera, cinematography of the film is done by Mr. Azad Mullah. I see most of the times the actor or the object was slightly out of focus. Though the film or the situation had a great gravity, the slightest out-focused visuals were constantly disconnecting me from the film. I mean, when you have such a long film to be projected, the visual quality plays a major role. In fact, visual quality is the biggest factor that will keep your audience engaged, and slightest mistake in your visuality may damage the effect of the film over your audience. But then I also see that Mr. Azad had a great command on his skills. How can I say that? Well, you see, the film had a monochromized episode where this banker has come to this lady's house to collect loan amount or an EMI. If you see that scene, there is a mirror where this lady is standing. I mean, her image is imprinted on that mirror, and the guy who's come to collect the loan amount is talking. And that is a wonderful visual to watch. That shows the skill of this cinematographer. I'm sure he might have some problem with his viewfinder. That is where this miscalculation of focus would have happened. But then I must tell that you have to be more careful when it comes to visuality. Finally, this is a very good movie with a bit too long screen time for the audience to watch. A nice teamwork, appreciating the whole team. Here at UD's Quickest Movie Reviews, we rate this film a 3-star in our show. All the best.